Hello my friends! For those who do not know me yet, my name is Zea. I'm a Filipino working here in Bermuda. It's Friday night here and the sun is still up. It's up actually until 8:30 in the evening. So I decided to... Oh! You surprised me! We have a friendly soul over there. Hi sir! Say hi to my vlog! See how nice the people here are. This is so random. Thank you for saying hi. Bye-bye. Okay, that was random. But very nice of him to say hi and be a guest to the vlog. Okay, back to what I was saying earlier. I'm going to take a walk here at the railway trail. Actually, it's a long trail. I'm gonna start on this side and let's see until when I can walk because we have to walk back. So this is my first time taking the railway trail by foot. I don't know if the buses even pass by the railway trail or any part of it, but let's see. I don't know how far I can go because just coming in here from there, I see something that I want to share with you. Do you see them? Those super large leaves of the golden pothos. These are the largest leaves that I've ever seen, and I'm no longer surprised because I have seen you before. Not you exactly, but your kind. We have here a lizard. The most common lizard in Bermuda. And I can assure you, we don't have them in the Philippines because they are of Jamaican origin. I doubt that they would travel to the Philippines or someone would bring them there. Goodbye, golden pothos. See you again later. Bye. Let's continue with our walk. These are among the most common plants here in Bermuda. Look at those pink borders on the leaves. I read that there are no poisonous spiders in Bermuda, so I'm safe here. This one looks like a crab. Can you imagine? This is a nahaw leaf, I think. I don't know what this plant is. Could just be wild plants. I just saw someone passing through here and she was wearing an office outfit. So I think it's safe to pass through here. And also like joggers come and pass here. So yeah, I'm telling myself I'm gonna be fine. If you have seen my earlier vlog, you will see that this plant was featured there. Pinkish leaves, more violet actually. And look here, we have the wandering juice. A colleague of mine told me that these are like parasites here because they just grow everywhere. But I think they're not. I think they're very lovely. In the Philippines, we love them. Just go to the Philippines, okay? Mama Totong would love it here. Mama Totong, come visit me. I'll bring you here. Because there are so many beautiful and wild ferns. Her favorite plant. After showing you Mama Totong's favorite plant, which is fern, I saw Tita Vicky's favorite plant, Monstera deliciosa. On the roadside, guys. Like, I think you can get if you want to. Because this road is a public property. People here don't even bother with these plants. Look, oh, the leaves. So sad because they're hit by summer. It's so hot here. Look at those roots. You can propagate them, but I won't. This road is not natural, meaning they excavated, I don't know the right term, but they did something with the hill, take out this part, create a road. As you can see on both sides, it's rocky because it's supposed to be connected. I can hear people at the back, so I'm shy to vlog. I'll just go straight now. I feel like if I go there, it will be a portal to another world. I'm so dramatic. This is a whole new experience for me because I haven't passed through a road like this. It's like a tunnel. I'm sure this video will not do this place justice. It's eerie and at the same time really beautiful. I hope you can hear the cicadas or whatever animals they are. They are singing in their natural habitat. Palm trees. I did not even realize that I've been walking for like 30 minutes now. I'm just in awe of the place. And I'm not tired because I think I did more vlogging and taking of pictures than actually walking. So okay, the ferns are not only on the walls but are also on the ground. I decided 2 seconds ago that I will just continue walking in that direction and hope that I will find a road going into the main road, and from there take a bus. I don't know where that will be. Here's an entrance to a private property and I can see a pool inside. Must be a rich family. They put a bench here. I doubt anyone has taken a seat there in months because as you can see, the grass is all over the place. I'm so not ready for this. Okay, I'm wrong. I thought it was a tombstone. It's not. It says Rebecca Middleton Nature Reserve. So this is basically just a name of the place. I think I'm close to a paved road now because I can see house and the car and the road is cleared. Some skinny wandering Jews. If you see this in Bermuda, it's a sign that it's part of the railway trail. Actually, I don't know the history behind the railway trail. I'll look it up and maybe do another vlog about it. Hi, Kitty! Where are you going? Bye-bye. I saw a ginger cat. I'm more of a dog person, but I love both dogs and cats. I'm just more of a dog person. I think I'll just end my vlog here because I'm way past the railway trail now. I'll find my way home. Cheers! Bye!